Hello guys, my name is Tanish and you all are watching my channel The Perplexing. Today I'm going to show you how to saturate a dull image in just one layer. So let's get started. Here you can see an image. First you have to copy it and then go for filters and then click on other, and here you can see HSB and HSL. Just click on that and then go for HSL and hit OK. Here you can see an imagined image is came in front of us. Don't even worry about it. Go for channels and then press Ctrl and Command green. You can see a selection is there. Now you have to delete the first layer and then go for hue and saturations and then just increase the saturations. Here you can see how easy it is to enhance an image. So for more effective and creative learning, just like and subscribe my videos. Thank you.